Alright, this is 730 Broadway, and this is after the pipe repair here. And what we want to do is make sure that the rest of the line is okay. Just gotta finagle my camera around here a second, get it going the correct direction. So we got some water running at us. We'll be able to look at the pipe a little better on the way back, just because we're going upstream. But already breezed right through where there was a huge problem yesterday. So we're way in the back of the building now. There's going to be our combo. That's going to be our end of the run. So 72 feet is end of run. It's going to pop up a stack. Got a little bit of number 2 on the camera head there. There we go. Run back up here again just so we can make sure we've seen everything. Everything looks pretty good for PVC. Tiny bit of buildup in the pipe, but it's not very bad at all. Here's our end of run. That's going to be where the bathrooms are, probably about 70 feet back from where we are. It's going to be that middle bath. Might be something from the bar popping in right there. Line's PVC, it's flowing good. Turn to 45 there. Looks like another clean out or floor drain at 16 feet. Another 45, and now we're back at the clean out. Go downstream towards the city. There's going to be our tap. It's going to be really close. This is just under the sidewalk. And we're in clay, which is going to be the city main. So it looks like everything's fixed. She should be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video.